there! Looking to delete your Mobile Legends account from your iPhone? You are in the right place. I'm going to walk you through the steps to get it done. So get ready and let's get started. First, launch Mobile Legends on your device. Then, tap on your profile icon. Next, switch over to the Account tab. Now, look on the right side of the screen for the Account Center button. Tap on it. Then, tap on Cancel Account. Now, your browser will open up. Just scroll down, check the box, and tap on Next. Do the same on the following page. Next, select the account you want to delete. For instance, if you want to delete your Moonton account, tap on it. Next, enter your login details, fill in the security code, and hit the login button. Then, tap on the Send button. After that, check your email linked to the account. You will receive a code. Type that code into the box and hit Login. Then, choose the account you want to delete and tap on Next. Now, tick all the boxes and then tap on Confirm to cancel. Your account will be scheduled for deletion. Your account will be deleted in 30 days, but if you change your mind, just tap Give Up to cancel the deletion. And that's it! You have just learned how to delete your Mobile Legends account. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.